Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis, guys. It's Tuesday. What's really happening on the market? Nothing much, but we saw the market starting to go higher. It seems like the rate cards that they actually the thing about rate cards. It seems like it's starting to sink in the market. I think the market took time to actually react to that. So now the market is actually reacting to the rate cards which are coming. I heard yesterday that I think now they are considering 3 times. They are going to cut 3 times, but with 25 basis points. If it's going to be like that, no man, it's going to be great. It's going to be great because we're going to see the market recovering quite slower. So on the economic calendar, as you can see, we don't really have much. But the most important one here, it's for us, but I think it's not going to change much. I see FOMC meeting tomorrow in the evening. The other one, it's on Friday. Powell is going to speak around 4 in Friday. Let's see the other ones here. It's only going to be PMI, but everything here, I don't think maybe it's gonna make the market to go crazy. But you can see on Thursday it's just going to be manufacturing PMIs, you see. So but yeah, we will see. So Jackson Hole symposium, so it's where mostly they will be talking about interest rates, the economy, and stuff like that. So yeah, we will see what will how the market is going to react. We have retail sales for from Canada also on Friday. So we don't really have much. So let's go straight to our chart, guys. My recommended broker is EXNESS. There is a link below that you can use to join the team or to join the broker. EXNESS, simple as that, or exness.com. Check the link in my description. And yeah, the special is still running very strong. The special still run very strong for those who wants to be part of the team. There it's our signal packages, lifetime for $80 coming from $450. So, and you can also check the other ones there. You can scan the QR code or WhatsApp me to actually join the team. So what's really happening at the moment, you can see that we are on the dollar index. Yesterday we took like a very long we made a very long video because we went through so much stuff there. So you can go still watch that if you missed that. So on dollar index, what's really happening, we can easily see that no man, the market has been showing us some very nice structures, but what we see at the moment, you can easily see that no man, the market is no longer want to be inside that uptrend. So this is a breakout. So now we expect the market to continue going down. So which means USD it's weaker, so which means we are going to look for sell. We are going to sell the dollar. So which means if you have any pair like Gbpusd, you will be buying on those pairs. Easy as that, or maybe Euro USD. So I think the structure is quite straightforward. The market just broke out of this support area, so we expecting to see the market continue going lower, maybe for the rest of the week. So which means the dollar, it will be actually selling. I know, or maybe as you are already explained, you know that we have rate cuts coming. And it seems like now the market start to think about that and say, you know what, let's start to sell. And that is actually happening. It's actually happening. So now we are on GBPUSD. You can see that the structure is very nice, by the way. The market has been going up also. You can see that the market has been pushing to the upside, but we reached at this level of resistance here. So the question is, will the market break out of that, or maybe the market might respect that? So we can wait and see if maybe the market is breaking out. If it is breaking out, we will continue to look for buy above that support, above this resistant area, or maybe the market might reverse. So yeah, there are those people who can actually try to scalp that, because the market at the moment is at the highest level, so which means there is a room for a sell, quite similar to here. You can see that we had this, the market did sell, and now we have this. So it's not like the market is forced to sell, but the market can actually give us those sell positions. I hope maybe you see that. I hope you see that. So that is actually what is happening at the moment. So I'm expecting to see a nice reaction here. Maybe the market will respect that or not, but we'll have to see what is going to happen. But as the dollar is weaker, maybe the market might end up breaking out of that. Quite similar to what we see on gold. So on gold, you can see that we had a very proper structure also. The market is still going higher. So this is just a continuation of this bullish structure. So if we go closer there, you can start to see that. That's why I'm saying that it seems like the rate cut thing is starting to sink in on this market. You can see that the market actually gave us a proper breakout a few days ago. Yeah, a few days ago. We had a nice buy and then the market reversed. Then yesterday I said, let's jump on that again. Or I said the previous order, it was still valid. Just look what's really happening. The market seems to be going in our favor and we are not far from taking that profit. I did not really take this one personally because I'm trying to stick to my trading plan, guys. You know, when you trade, guys, sometimes it's way too difficult to focus. Especially on your trading plan. There are so many opportunities that you can take in the market, and they sometimes test you. Like this one, I was supposed to take this. I was supposed to take this because on my side I can see that no, this is a very nice buy, but I did not. Why? Because on my trading plan I'm supposed to focus on Nasdaq, and I have to push myself every day to do that. You see. But it doesn't really mean that if I took this I was going to lose. No, it's just that once you start to expose yourself to so many things, that comes with a risk. Sometimes you're gonna make money on that. Sometimes that is gonna not it's not going to move the way you want. And just imagine if maybe you trade 2, 3, 4, 5 things. If you take 3 losses per day, that is going to be way too much. But if it's a one thing, it makes your job to be quite easy. You lose, you stay out. Whether you check the market or whatever, but as long as you're not trading that, or as long as you're focusing on your only pair, and that makes your job to be quite easy. The best thing that you can do is to stay on your own lane. It seems like things might happen very quick in the market, and yes, things might happen very quick. But if you stay on your own lane, you will see that yeah, things might happen quick on your own way, not maybe the other way people want to make things look, you see. So I think if you try to do things the way you want, you'll start to see that even that $10, it might be enough for someone. It might be enough if you made $20 that day. If you just keep doing that, then it's actually enough. I'm not saying that you don't really need thousands or whatever, but we need that. But you might find that we just risk unnecessarily because we just see people doing that. Some people are just playing and you just want to copy them, unfortunately. But anyways, yeah, on gold you can see that the market is still on that bullish move. I don't think we have much here. So since the market is doing something like this, is going up, we will be waiting for the market to reverse before we have a nice push again, or maybe the market will try to give us a nice resistance there that we can use to keep buying again. But yeah, this was a very nice trade. My people, I hope, are smashing. I think in the group I saw another brother said, you know what, Kenzo, I'm smashing the market, and that is very good. So now we are on US30. What's really happening on US30? The market is still going up very nice. You can see that we had these areas where the market did touch, and now we're going up there. But beside that, we also have other areas on top. But the market just broke out of that. So now we expect the market to do what? To go even higher. But on US30, even though we expect the market to go even higher, we have to be extra careful because we have this area, we can say potential resistance or the highest level. So the market might reach that level before going down, you see. Or the market might respect that, tries to play around before we see a nice breakout. Yes, we are still on that bullish move. The market did not really move that much on US30, even though we had a trade there, but the market was just playing around. But I'm still expecting to see a continuation of that buy. I think the market slowly will be going up on US30. And that's what I see at the moment. So there's nothing much that changed. So a nice push to the upside, I think we will welcome that. So now we are on Nasdaq. So on Nasdaq, I think it's quite straightforward. You can see that the market is actually giving us some very nice push. So we see that we had a nice push to the downside. Now the market broke out, so we expect the market to go higher. So on Nasdaq, I think we still have enough room for the market to reach that level, and the market seems to be doing that. So if maybe I can go on a bit smaller time frame, not small, but not daily time frame, you can see that we had a proper buy pending order, which actually worked very nice, and the market is starting to consolidate around this level. So there is a chance for the market to go a little bit lower, maybe before going up, or with this type of a breakout. We have a very proper breakout here, so there is a chance for the market to reverse a little bit, maybe to reach this level, or even maybe this one, before we see a very nice push. Or maybe the market will keep going higher, but we no longer see those aggressive push like the one that we had before. But at the end of the day, I think we will be going back to 20.800. That might be a very good move. But yeah, this was what we expecting. So S&P 500 is also going very nice. The signal was sent there. So yeah, everyone is smashing the market. Seems like everyone is trying to recover if you had some losses. So yeah, the market did move, but not really that much, not the same as Nasdaq. But this area, the highest level, that will be our highest level that we have to take care, or actually have to monitor if maybe the market is going to reach that. So another one is going to be US oil. On US oil, we had a very proper buy yesterday, very quick one, but the market actually reversed very quick. Now you can see that the market is going down, so this is going to be a potential support area. Maybe the market will reach this area before going even higher. Simple as that. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, for those who wants to be part of the team, guys, we still have our special. Let me know if you want to be part of the team. So remember, our recommended broker, it's EXNESS. You can trade the news, but with the news, I can say it's not really good because you'll have to open your trades like few minutes before. If for those who wants to use EXNESS for news trading, so it means mostly they will tell you, if you read through the terms and condition when it comes to news trading, mostly 15 minutes before they will lower the leverage. So which means if you have a smaller account, you might fail to open some positions, but they're trying to make you like to save you, because sometimes people they just go all in and they lose everything. So mostly when you open, you might find that they don't really allow you to open extra positions. Why? Because they reduced your leverage, so which means you're not actually going to able to do that. But if you open 15 minutes before, if you are sure with your story, yes, you can open with those larger positions or with the same leverage. And after 15 minutes, you can just hold that. Your position will still be there. Then after that, you will see if maybe the market is going in your favor or not. But if you are sure, I'm always doing that. If there is news, sometimes I just buy and leave it. And then if the market goes in my favor, yeah, it's fine. Even though if sometimes it doesn't go in my favor, that's also fine, because maybe that account, I wanted to risk that account. But when it comes to technical, without any economic news or fundamentals, I think the overall broker is good. You can do withdrawal as quick as possible and stuff like that. So to me, I feel like it's a good broker. It's a very good broker. So I will leave the link on my description or on my comment section for those who wants to join or use EXNESS. I think you can try to use that. So anyways, thank you very much. I will see you later on. Bye.